Okay, it's Miss Alana here, and we are working on today's math practice. It is Monday, March the 14th. It's Pi Day, and we are working on number 8. All right, so read it with me. The domain is measurement and data. The standard, it's MD, measurement and data number 8. Solve word problems involving dollar bills, quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies using dollar signs and cent signs, symbols appropriately. For example, if you have 2 dimes and 3 pennies, how many cents do you have? Do you know how to count money? I hope so, because if you have money, you have to know how to count it. So when you can do that, you can say the I can statement. I can solve word problems involving money. I can use the dollar sign and the cent symbols correctly. All right, so let's look at number 8. All right, number 8 says, Melissa in our class. Melissa has 2 quarters, 3 dimes, 1 nickel, and 6 pennies. How much money does she have? Okay, so let's work that out. So how much money does she have? She has 2 quarters. What else? 3 dimes, 1 nickel, and then 6 pennies, okay? So to solve this, I want you to draw a picture, draw the coins, okay? So we start off with 2 quarters. I'm going to draw circles. How much is a quarter? A quarter is 25. So write 25, 25, and 3 dimes. Draw 3 dimes. 1, 2, 3. I made it a little bit smaller because dimes are smaller. Although they're not equal, just do it as best you can. How much is a dime? 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents. 1 nickel. How much is a nickel? That's 5 cents, although nickels are not smaller than dimes. 5, and then what else? 6 pennies. All right, I'll put the pennies right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, you don't have to do it like that. You can write it here. But I wanted to do it on the side so we can work it out here, okay? So pennies are worth 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent. All right, so let's add them all together. Let's do the quarters first. 25 and 25 make 50. So I'm going to write 50. How about the tens? 10, 10, and 10 make what? 30. And then 5 is just a nickel by itself, so we write 5. And then 6 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 6. And we have to do what? Add them all together. So let's start adding. What's 0 plus 0? That's easy. 0 plus 5 is 5. And then plus 6 is 11. All right? So write your 1 here and 1 up there. And then now we have 1 plus 5 is 6. And then 3 more is 9. All right, let's check that. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 5 is 5 plus 6, 11. Write the 1. Carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 3 more is 9. So we have 91 what? Not we. Melissa has 91 cents. So you can use the cent symbol and write it like that. But if you use the dollar symbol, write it like this. Just like that. So once you're done working this out, drawing your coins, adding it together, go ahead and write and explain how you solve the problem. Now, if you counted up or you did it a different way, that's fine too, as long as you get the right answer and you can write down and explain how you got it so I know how smart you are. Thumbs up when you're done. Yay!